found this idea on a YouTube channel. Have you ever wondered about some cool things to make your minifigs better? Here's one hack to make a minifig look more like they're actually sitting down. Alright, this is turning. You can see the little seat. I won't include the seat in this, but this is her, and this is better close up. I use two of the, I don't know what they're called, angles, like this right here, and then you just take the feet off and you simply attach it just like I'm doing here. And there you go. That's all there is to it. You got a sitting down minifig. Have you ever wondered about some cool things you can make? I found this on a website. I found this idea on a YouTube channel. And I'll fade here. Have you ever wondered about some cool things you can make? Why do I keep saying you make?
Please subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of videos I post. Thanks for watching.